I've never been to NYC, but as a Pakistani mom, I knew I could make this viral dish even better. It's juicy, perfectly spiced, and honestly, it puts the street carts to shame. Forget the takeout. Let me show you how to make the elite version at home. Step 1. The rice. Take 2 cups of rice and wash it really well until the water runs clear. Now soak it for about 30 minutes. While that's sitting, we move on to the chicken. I'm using about 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. Thighs are the move here. They stay juicy and hold flavor better. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and the juice of 1 lemon. Now the seasoning. 2 tablespoons chicken tikka spice mix, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 heaped teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything really well so every piece is coated. While mixing everything, I'm also adding just a pinch of orange food color, just to give the chicken that vibrant, rich look. Totally optional, but it makes it visually more appealing once it cooks. Let it rest at least 30 minutes. While that builds flavor, we make the white sauce. I take half a cup of mayonnaise and add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Then 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, or you can use 2 garlic cloves. Add juice of 1 lemon. Then I add about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon garlic powder. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now blend everything really well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Adjust the consistency using the water. Make it pourable but not too runny. Once done, I transfer this white sauce into a squeeze bottle. We will use it at the end for serving. Now the rice base. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Add 3 tablespoons oil, then 1 chopped onion. Add cinnamon sticks and cardamom pods. Sauté for about 30 seconds, then add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now add half a teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons chicken stock powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, one teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix everything well and fry for about 1 minute. Add the soaked rice, drained, and roast it until it gets a light yellow color. Then add 4 cups of hot water. Once it starts boiling, check the salt and adjust if needed. Cover the pot, place a tissue over the steam hole, and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Now I move to another burner and place a wok on it. I add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat properly. Once the oil is hot, I add the marinated chicken into the wok. Make sure you spread it out slightly so it cooks evenly and does not start steaming. I cook the chicken on high flame for about 15 minutes, and I keep stirring it continuously so it cooks evenly from all sides. Since this is boneless chicken, it cooks faster and absorbs all the flavors really well. After around 15 minutes, you will see the chicken is fully cooked, juicy, and slightly gravy-like because of the marinade. At this stage, you can let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on high heat so it gets a slight sear and better flavor, and remove it from the stove. Now, after 20 minutes, I checked the rice. The rice is perfectly cooked, soft, and fluffy. I gently mix it using a fork or spoon so that all the grains separate properly and become light and airy. Now I prepare the salad. I take 1 small onion and chop it into cube-sized pieces. Then I add half a cup of yellow bell peppers, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of green capsicum, and half a cup of red bell pepper. Next, I add 1 chopped cucumber and half a chopped tomato. I also add some chopped lettuce if I have it available. Now I squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon for freshness. Then I add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. After that, I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I mix everything really well so all the flavors combine nicely. The salad is fresh, crunchy, and ready. Now it's time to assemble everything. In a serving plate, I first add a generous portion of the prepared rice. Then I place the salad on one side of the plate. On the other side, I add the cooked chicken. Make sure you place it nicely so you get a good balance of rice, chicken, and salad in every bite. Now I take the white sauce that we prepared earlier and drizzle it generously over the chicken and rice. Don't hold back on the sauce. It really brings everything together. You can also add hot sauce, sriracha, or even ketchup if you like a bit of extra flavor. It's totally up to your preference. And that's it. Our halal cart-style chicken over rice is ready. It looks vibrant, smells amazing, and tastes even better. Once you try this at home, it's hard to go back to takeout. The flavors are bold, the textures are perfect, and everything just comes together so well. That's it for this recipe. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care and happy cooking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.